patience test. Can you watch me replace the broken screen without skipping the most boring screen separating part? Let's rock! I believe a repair pro must be a patient person. Otherwise, she or he must be annoyed by repairing. It takes time to open the broken DVCs, fixing it, and restore it. When I was in my childhood, I've tried to disassemble my dad's keyboard because it was dirty and dusty. I really want to clean it. It was smooth at the beginning, but I was troubled with the keys. They were hard to remove. I was frustrated and nervous. My feeling made it even harder to do cleaning. Then I took a deep breath and tried again. Finally, I made it, but I broke in some keys. Since then, I know every repair person must be patient. Thank you for listening to my story. Now let's enjoy my repair moment. Congratulations! You've been gone through the most boring part. Let's fix the phone with me. Even the main screen can work, but there is a hole near the back camera. My customer told me he broke it up. When it was charging, it's time to disconnect the cable and change a new screen. Don't forget to tape the camera. Dusk in the air will make it less clear. If you like my video, please follow me. I'll share more and more phone repair skill with you. The tools I use are in the description. If you need any of them, don't hesitate to click them and support me. Let me share a tip with you. After unscrewing the screw, you can put the screws on the compartment like this and cover the screws with the small piece you disassemble. In this way, you won't mess them up. No more screw loss or can't fit. Show me and comment if you think it's good. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.